If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your DoorDash subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure you won't be charged for the next billing cycle. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your subscription settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon in the top corner of the app. From the menu, select Account Settings to find your account management options. Step 3. Access subscription details. Look for an option labeled Pass or Subscriptions within the account settings. This will take you to the page where you can view your current subscription status and details. Step 4. Cancel auto renewal. On the subscription details page, find the option to manage your subscription. Select Cancel Subscription or turn off auto renewal to stop future charges. Follow any prompts to confirm your decision. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After canceling, check for a confirmation message or email that verifies your subscription has been successfully cancelled. This ensures that you will not be billed again. By following these steps, you can easily stop the auto-renewal of your DoorDash subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash customer support for assistance.